Okay, explain how organization can create team players. Organizations can create team players by firstly selecting or hiring team players and then train team players, give them competency, skill, and so on. And then after that, rewards or give incentive to a good team players. So first thing, is like I mentioned in these slides, hiring team players need to select the right employees or the right members. Be sure that the members or the candidate can fulfill the roles of the team roles in terms of technical requirements such as skill, experience, other competency, and then create the team players. Create team players by giving them trainings. And also giving them workshops to attend to so that can improve their problem solving in terms of communications, negotiations, conflict management, and so on. So even though to develop an effective teams doesn't happen overnight, it takes time, but by giving frequent trainings and workshops, will actually can make the members to become good members or to be effective, productive team players. Number three, providing reward. It is important to provide reward as incentive to a good team players to encourage cooperative effort rather than competitive. So by giving rewards, it is important to encourage cooperative rather than competitive because in the organizations, in the team especially, it is important for the members to cooperate with each other to make sure, in order to make sure that the team performance could be achieved. If they're focusing on competitive, then it will undermine the aims of the teams. So it is important by rewarding the or giving incentive to team players, but encourage them to provide cooperative effort because cooperative effort can make the team stronger and competitive can make the teams shattered because they're just focusing on individual needs or incentive. So promotions, pay raise, and any other form of recognition should be given to the individual who work effectively as a team member. By giving trainings to new colleagues actually could increase their competency or their level of employees in terms of their abilities, and sharing information also helping to resolve team conflicts and mastering needed a new skill actually can improve members to become good or effective team players. So intrinsic reward also should be encouraged, should be provided, such as camaraderie. Camaraderie is basically is a teams is emphasized more on having close connection with the members, having cooperative as a comrades. Employee need to receive from the teamwork. That's mean providing intrinsic reward instead of just extrinsic rewards. So here promotions, pay raise, and other form of recognitions. These are actually referring to the extrinsics, but here intrinsic rewards such as cognitions or opportunity for personal development of self and teammates can be satisfying and rewarding experience as well to the team players. So when not to use Teams? So now it is important to check whether because not all tasks can be done through Teams. Sometimes it can be done effectively individually. So when not to use Teams are not always the answer to the organizational productivity. So need to ask few questions whether the tasks that been done actually important to be done alone as an individual employees or as a members of the team. So the question need to be asked: can the work be done better by one person? If the work been done better by one person, then it should be individual tasks shouldn't be formed as a team. So simple tasks that don't require diverse input are probably better left to individuals. That means can be done by individual employees. Do not have to be part of the team. Does the work create a common goals or purpose? If the work create a common goal or purpose, they need to have teams, because now everyone focusing on achieving common goal. If it is different goals, then it should be individual. But if creating a common goal, if the work actually lead to creating a common goal and purpose, so it need to be team need to be developed or need to be established. The members of the group interdependence, yes, need a team. So if the members of the groups are interdependent with each other, so the organization should decide to form a team. Okay, that's it.